How's everyone doing today? My name is CJ Halleck with cjhalleck.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for hosting and get a free domain. So we're going to start by going to myhostlink.com, and that is myhostlink.com. This is an affiliate link. I will receive compensation for that, just being 100% transparent here. So now that you're here, this is going to take you to the shared business hosting page, and this is where you're going to go ahead and decide which plan or package works best for you. There's Launch, Power, and Pro. Each of these supports a different number of websites. If you're going to start small with 1 or 2 websites, you would go Launch. If you're up to 6 sites, you would do Power, and then of course Pro is unlimited across the board. The only way you would need to upgrade from here is if you are doing a lot of traffic and you need more resources and don't need to actually share your resources with the people that you will be sharing with on a package such as these that are shared hosting. So you'll look through, you'll decide which one you want, whether it's 2 sites or 6 sites, unlimited, so forth and so on. Once you make that decision, then you're going to come down, scroll to the bottom, and then from here you're going to decide whether, which package you want and look at how long you're going to actually sign up. So you'll see the prices start at one rate and it goes to a lower rate. And sorry, I almost forgot what it was. In Launch, you'll see, if you register for 1 year, your average is $6.99 a month, 2 years, $5.99. So, and you'll see it changes on each of these. So we're just going to go ahead and register for 1 year, and it's going to go through and start the checkout process. The next thing you're going to want to do is choose if you want to upgrade. Basically, I'm going to click no thanks. I already covered the plan, so there's no need to upsell. So the next thing you're going to do is make sure you have the right data center. Basically put, especially if you're a local business that serves a specific region, you'll want to make sure you choose the data center that is closest to you. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it at Washington, D.C. We're going to make sure no thanks is checked under the auto installer. We're going to go ahead and install WordPress at a later time to make it easier for you, and it'll make sense when we get to that part in the training. So next thing is to click continue. And then you're going to, next step would be moving forward to decide if you're going to purchase a new domain with this, which is going to be free for the first, the initial registration cost. And if you already have a domain you want to use, you can go ahead and click I already have this domain. But since we're registering a new domain, we're going to go ahead and type in our domain and click search. Now that the results have come back, it shows that the domain is available. It will suggest other domains. We're going to click add to cart. You'll see the different things here. You can have your primary domain, all that information there. And then down underneath where you see the domain and then you see domain privacy, that is to make sure that your information is not displayed publicly through a whois reverse lookup. I highly recommend that you do this. It will stop a lot of telemarketers from reaching out to you about web design or SEO and these other services that people offer through mass telemarketing. If you wish to not choose this, you can change that on the next page. But for right now, like I said, I would highly recommend to do the domain privacy. I promise you it'll be worth it in the long run. So we're going to go ahead and click on continue. This is where you're going to make your choice whether or not you want to have the privacy registration. I'm going to keep it protected and I'm going to click continue. Now you're going to set up your account. So you're going to just enter in your email address and then we're going to move forward putting in our information. I have sped this up and of course blurred this out because this is for a client's account, so I can't display their information publicly, nor would I display mine. But enter in your email address, click continue, and then the next step is to put in all your information and your payment information, your personal and payment information, name, everything else. So please take this time to pause the video if you need to finish this section and then move forward with the next step. Now here's where you need to make sure all the information is correct. Your billing address, make sure that you don't click the wrong state, make sure everything's good. Then we're going to click agree under the terms of agreement, click checkout. Now you have officially signed up for InMotion hosting. There's only a few more things you need to do. You need to check your email. You'll get an email to verify your account and set your password. Please make sure you do that moving forward. Other than that, you're set up and ready to go. We'll catch you in the next video. Take care.